Next question is question 3. A DC power supply has no load voltage of 30 volt, full load voltage of 25 volt, full load current of 1 ampere. Output resistance and load regulation we have to find out. This question is asked in GATE EC 1999. First of all, I will note down what are the given quantities. V no load VNL is equal to 30 volts, V full load VFL is equal to 25 volts, and full load voltage, full load current that is IFL is 1 ampere. Then R naught and regulation in percentage is asked here. We have direct formula. Percent regulation is equal to V no load minus V full load divided by V full load into 100. V no load is 30 minus 25 divided by 25 into 100. That is 25 4s are 100 and 5, that is 4 into 5, that is 20%. Percentage regulation is 20%. And to find output resistance, V is equal to IR, Ohm's law. So here output resistance R naught will be V no load minus V full load divided by IFL. So it will be 30 minus 25 divided by 1, that is 5 ohms. So the value of output resistance is 5 ohms. And percentage regulation is 20%. Now just let's approach to next question. This question is asked in GATE EC 2000. In this question, one diode is given and the voltage across diode is not given here. So first of all, I will assume that the diode is short circuited. Assume that diode acts as short circuit and it is ideal. Rest parameters are same. 4 volt, 2 ohms. This is short circuited current through diode ID. This is 2 ohms plus minus V0. This is also 2 ohm minus plus 2 volt. Now I will write here V0. Applying KCL, V0 minus 4 divided by 2 plus V0 divided by 2 plus V0 plus 2 divided by 2 is 0. All the 2 will get cancelled out. So V0 plus V0, 2 V0, 3 V0, 3 V0 minus 2 is equal to 0, implies that V0 is equal to 2 by 3 volts. V0 is equal to 2 by 3 volts. Now just find the value of current flowing through the diode, that is ID. Our ID will be V0 divided by 2 and V0 is 2 by 3. So ID is equal to V0 by 2, that is 2 by 3 divided by 2 is 1 by 3 amperes. As the current flowing through diode is positive, our assumption that diode acts as short circuit is right. So just proceed with this assumption, and if we again try to find V0, then its value will be 2 by 3 volts only. So V0 is equal to 2 by 3 volts is final answer. Then the next question is asked in GATE EC 2015. Zener diode is given having voltage across it 6 volts and we are asked to find voltage across this 1 kilo ohm resistor. First of all, I will check whether Zener diode is on or off. So assume that the Zener diode is open circuited and find the open circuit voltage VOC across Zener diode. To find open circuit voltage, suppose this is VOC plus minus and this is 1 kilo ohms. So by using, see this is VOC, that is open circuit voltage across Zener diode is nothing but voltage across this 1 kilo ohm resistor. So by using voltage divider rule, we can easily find out the value of VOC. So VOC is equal to 10 into 1K divided by 1K plus 1K. So it will be 10 into 1 divided by 2, that is 5 volts VOC. Voltage across this Zener diode open circuit voltage is 5 volts. But our Zener diode require 6 volts to get into operation. So as here open circuit voltage is less than VZ, that is VOC is less than VZ, so our Zener diode is not working. Zener is not working. So it will act as open circuit. As it is not working because 5 volt voltage source is available here, and at 5 volt this Zener cannot be on because this zener required 6 volt to get on. So this zener will act as open circuit. And to find V0, if we find V0, then V0 is nothing but VOC. This voltage VOC is nothing but voltage across this 1 kilo ohm. So V0 is equal to VOC and is equal to 5 volts. So final answer is V0 value is 5 volts. So these are some questions. I am trying to cover much more questions that are asked from diode, which are of good conceptual level. Stay tuned, and if you find this content very useful, then please like and subscribe my channel so that it will motivate me to make such new videos very soon. Thanks for watching.